All right, it's giveaway time. So here's our list of people that entered. You might see your name on there more than twice. All these people were on here. They all commented. If you see their name again, they commented more than once on 3 different videos that were up. 51 entries into the contest again, giving away a shirt and a hat mailed to you. How this is going to work is I haven't picked anything yet. The first person that randomly gets picked will have 48 hours to comment on the video and acknowledge that they won, and then I'll get in contact with them to ship them the t-shirt and the hat. If they don't show up in the 48-hour period, then I'm going to move on to the next person, who I'm also going to select right after this. And same thing for them, 48 hours from them being notified. So that'd be about 4 days in at that point. They'd have up to 4 days. And if they don't answer, then I'm going to move to the third person. So top 3, each of you has 48 hours to get back in the comments and see. I will comment down below. I'll try to reach out back to you on what you commented on the original video to let you know, hey, you won, and we'll go from there. So, all right, here we go. You can see all the names. All right, well, who to pick? Didn't pick anybody. Oh, no. No, see, this can't happen. He's not allowed to win. You guy has free t-shirts because he's my brother. He ain't winning. So forget him. He doesn't count. Let's pick another random. Rob Berger, you are the winner of the t-shirt and the hat. I'll reach back out to you. You have 48 hours to contact me. We'll get an email or something set up and get your address, and I'll send you the shirt. If you don't answer me, we're going to be moving on to the next person. And the second, for the runner-up, we have Wayne Rowland. The runner-up, if the last guy doesn't respond, you're going to be the next up winner. Wayne Rowland, the runner-up. And lastly, in case neither one of them answer, the winner, the third place winner will be Charles Quaid. Charles Quaid, you're the third runner-up in this contest. If either one of the first 2 don't answer, Charles Quaid will be the winner of the shirt and hat. Thanks to everyone who entered and everyone who sticks around for all these videos and stays in and commented down below. Might do another one of these some other time. And again, thanks for 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate it. So that wraps up this video. And as always, see you in the next one.